Hey, what's up? This is Dan Wynn here, and I wanted to share something someone asked me the other day. They were a California resident and they had Texas property, and they wanted to look into some asset protection. So one of the most popular asset protection vehicles is using an LLC. It's called a limited liability company. One of the benefits of that over a corporation is that it's easier to manage. With corporations, you're required to have annual meeting minutes, and it's usually really good for people with multiple levels of hierarchy or organization. But if you got rental properties, LLC is probably one of the most popular things to use so you can protect your personal assets. Now, in this particular situation, the person lived in California, had a primary residence in California, and then had a Texas rental property. So how can he use an LLC? One, um, I think the best option was to form a California LLC, and then because the property is in Texas, you have to register that LLC as a foreign corporation, foreign LLC in Texas. Um, so there are additional fees having it in Texas and in California. California has um, $800 annual franchise tax, but you do get the benefit of personal asset protection should you maintain the corporate formalities. The second question that came up was, hey, if I get another property, can I put it in the same LLC? So the answer is yes. You can put multiple properties inside the same LLC. Now, the second question you should ask yourself is actually, should you? Now, it does cost more money to maintain two LLCs. So you've got to balance your budget versus kind of separating or siloing the properties in each of their LLCs. If you got the budget to do so, my recommendation is actually to put each property in its own LLC. Now, one of the things you can do to kind of mitigate, if you can't afford that, look into buying some umbrella insurance, either as a property owner or possibly as a individual, so that if there's any issues, either with the property, then you have liability insurance to cover you, or if you are in an accident and don't have enough funds to cover the judgment, then perhaps umbrella policy, something that might be useful to you. So this is Dan here, talking about a little bit of asset protection, LLCs in California and Texas, rental properties. Hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you soon.